Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Tech Skills. In today's episode, we're diving into another powerful control structure in Java, the while loop. By the end of this video, you'll know what a while loop is, how to write one, and how to avoid common mistakes. Maybe you ask, why use loops? Loops are essential in programming because they save time by avoiding repetition, make code cleaner and shorter, help automate tasks like counting, waiting, or repeating input. What is a while loop? A while loop in Java is used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as a specified condition remains true. It's perfect for situations where you don't know exactly how many times the loop should run, but you have a clear condition to check. Here's the syntax of a while loop showing what a basic while loop looks like. As long as the condition inside the parentheses is true, the code inside the curly braces, the loop body will keep running. Let's see an example in IntelliJ. Let's start with a basic example that prints numbers from 0 to 4. We start with define variable equals 0. This is our initialization, while inside the parenthesis is condition. The condition is I less than 5. The condition I less than 5 is checked since 0 less than 5 is true. The code inside the loop runs. Okay, open and closes curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we have a code to run. Prints the current value of I. I plus plus increases I by 1. No I is 1. The loop goes back to step 2, checks the condition again, discontinue until I reaches 5. When I is 5, the condition I less than 5 becomes false. The loop stops. That's it. Let's run it and see the result with together. Yeah, you can see we print numbers from 0 to 4. Don't forget to update your condition variable inside the loop, like I++ in our example. If you skip that, the condition may never become false and you'll create an infinite loop. This makes your program run forever and likely crash. So always make sure there is a way for your loop to eventually turn false. Okay, time to practice. Pause the video and let's create a countdown timer from 3 that ends with a celebration message. Let's do our practice bit together. Countdown timer from 3 that ends with celebration message. First, we need a variable while countdown bigger than 0, curly braces. Inside the curly braces, we need to print the numbers from 3 to 1. Here, I want to explain this code. We're counting down from 3. When countdown hits 0, the loop condition countdown bigger than 0 become false, the loop stops, and then Java continues executing the line after the loop, which prints our final message. Let's run it with together and see the result. Yeah, you can see 3, 2, 1, and Happy New Year. While loop is incredibly useful, Java has other loop types too. You'll also encounter the for loop, which is often used when you know exactly how many times you want to loop. There is also the do while loop, which is very similar to while loop, but guarantees its code block runs at least once, even if the condition is initially false. We'll explore this in future episodes. That's it for today's episode on while loops in Java. Please try it out yourself, create your own while loops to count up or down, experiment with different conditions. Crucially, try removing the update statement, I++ or countdown minus minus just once to see an infinite loop in action. Then quickly stop it. Thanks for watching. You can find all the course materials on my GitHub. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support is appreciated. See you in the next episode.